guys, welcome to the Mexican Food Channel. In today's video, we are making this delicious cheese dip. Let's gather our ingredients. For this recipe, you will need sour cream, cheese cream, green onions, bacon, 1 pack of ranch seasoning mix, 2 cups of cheese, 1 cup cheddar, and 1 cup mustard cheese. Alright, let's start off with the bacon. Ours is already cooked. You're going to cut it into tiny pieces. If you don't have bacon, you can also use bacon bits. Now let's add all the ingredients into the bowl. Start with the cream cheese. Next, add in the sour cream. You're going to mix the cheeses and add in 1 cup to the bowl. Add in the ranch seasoning. And last but not least, the bacon. Now mix everything with the spoon. Make sure you cover it with aluminum foil. While the dip is cooking, chop the onions super finely. cheese dip is done, you're going to add in the rest of the cheese and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Now for the finishing touch, the green onion. Sprinkle it on top. You can enjoy this snack with your favorite crackers. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Stay tuned for more videos. Make sure to like and subscribe.